Alright, as you guys can see, I've been on Chrome and letting the YouTube play, and we're on 5 hours and 52 minutes at 9%. So, not, anything overwhelmingly good. I think it's decent. If I was going to grade it, probably be like a C, C plus or something like that. So, I think the OLED display has a lot to do with it. It's a bigger display because the G7 has around the same size battery, but it's a smaller display. It's an IPS. So that got I think around 7 hours or something like that, 7 hours and 30 minutes. So not too bad. But what do you guys think? Let me know. I'll catch you guys in the next one.